Welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to present to you a logic that I call Enigma boss logic. It's basically a different way of identifying break of structure and using that understanding to identify precise entry location for your future opportunities. Like you know, in the market, most traders, we want to trade in line with the real trend. So what do I mean by that? If the market is trending high and making higher highs and making higher lows, it would be beneficial for us to try to implement taking buys on the higher lows, on the higher lows, on the higher lows, on the higher lows. Vice versa, if the market is trending downwards and the trend is bearish, it would be better for us to look to trade the lower highs, the lower highs, the lower highs, and the lower highs, and the lower highs. So I'm going to show you a logic, which I call, like I said, I call this the Enigma boss logic, Enigma break of structure logic, right? Very simple to understand. Now, this comes from understanding something that is very crucial and is based on observation, backtesting. So obviously, you'll have the opportunity to backtest for yourself. As you can see right now on the top left of the chart, we are on GBP, JPY on the 1 hour time frame. Time is fractal, price is fractal. So whatever I show you here, it will apply on any time frame, on any market, as long as there is wicks, as long as the market is moving with candlesticks, right? So when you're looking for a sell trade, or when you're looking to understand that there is a shift in the market structure, or a change of character, or a change of trend in the market, and you would like to confirm that change of trend, and from the understanding of the change of trend, you would like to trade in the direction of that new change of trend, there is a simple strategy, a logic that you can use that will help you basically identify, for example, if we are transitioning from a bullish trend to a bearish trend. So once more, we are transitioning from a bullish trend to a bearish trend, right? So the logic here, that means you're looking for your key level, is going to be identifying the bearish candle before the last bullish movement. Bearish candle, okay? So observe the bearish candle, right? What I'm going to do, I'm going to place a line at the low of this candle, right? And as soon as the market breaks below, as you can see, the market returns above. It gives you, one, the opportunity to sell higher. If you fail to sell higher, while the market is showing you a sign that it's about to break below or break that line once more time, you can sell here as a breakout. Okay, so that's a sell logic. If you Let's look at the history here. As you can see, you see the market came close because this is not the only low before the market went up. You also have this low before the market went up. So bearish candle low before the market went up. So this also is here. You also have this low before the market went up. So you also have this level right here. You also have this low before the market went up. And all those lows are being broken, and we are getting confirmation with this movement to the downside that there is a probability that the trend has changed. So whenever the market retraces into these areas, right, and it feels like the market is retracing into a level of fair value gap, which I believe is not really real, the market is literally retesting the previous lows, right? Look at the low right here, right? Is retesting the previous lows before the continuation. Okay, so this is an example on a sell opportunity. I'm going to show you the same logic on a buy opportunity, and I'll also show you on the 1 minute time frame, because I know some of you like the 1 minute time frame, and obviously if it works on the 1 minute time frame, it works everywhere. Okay, so in the opposite logic, the opposite direction is the same. The market is transitioning from a bearish trend to a bullish trend. Very simple. So all you need is to identify the last bullish candle before the bearish low. And then when the market breaks above the bullish high, then you will have your key level. So here, for example, when this candle breaks above this high, there is a probability that the trend has changed. So now you have an area for your discount. Now, when the market comes below this area, you can look to buy in this area. And then if you fail to buy below, you want to be able to have a last opportunity of discount to buy at the price before they actually break out, and hope for the best, risk with 0.50%, 1%, 2%, or whatever you want to risk, okay? And then hope for the best, because that is it. We cannot do more than that. The analysis is done, right? So I'm going to show you many examples, like I said, on variations of time frame. Obviously, this is the 1 hour time frame. I'll show you a couple of examples on the 15-minute time frame, and then I will show you more examples on the other time frame. So here is an example. We have this candle right here. Why? Because you see this market went up, right? Retesting the lows. It continued to go lower. The market comes back and retest it. Okay. This, maybe you might say, oh, no, right? Okay. Let me show you one more example on the 15-minute time frame, right? Last bearish candle before the market went up, they break this low. What did they break? This low. When did they break the low? Right here. First opportunity to sell here or sell here. Obviously, this is market open, so it's not very interesting, right? Let's look at the London session, for example. Oh, look, they did it in the opposite direction. Where? Right here, my brother. Look at this bullish candle. Right before they make that low. If you place a high here, right? Do you think it's random that they retest it here? After they go above it, they come below, they give you first opportunity, second opportunity to buy at the price, and then they come back again, New York session, at the price one more time, and then look, London session, they come again below, and then they go higher. But you see, this low right here, because the same thing is happening right here on the 1 minute time frame. And let me show you a valid example. So for this, we have to zoom out, expand on the right. Okay, very simple. We're gonna place this last bullish candle before the market makes a low. The market shift above the high of this bullish candle. We place our line here. We identify this as a boss, because it's, for me, it's the Enigma boss logic. We can duplicate this line. We can see same is happening here. Last bullish candle before the market rushed to the downside, the market breaks above it, first opportunity to buy here, right? Same, last bullish candle before the market went lower, right here, the market goes above it, confirming that we are still in a potential buying trend. The market pulls back here, you buy here, for instance, and I can keep going, and I'm going to show you one last example. You see this bullish candle right before the market goes down, right? And then market goes lower, and then you see the market goes up. But did you notice this high right here? Look, if we take this, you see how precise it is, because that is where you'll take your buy trade. Now, observe how the price reacted to this level earlier today. If we go right here on the 1 minute time frame, all those levels are key level. Remember, you can buy below or at. That means while the price is coming towards this area, it's going back up. You can buy here. You can use the Enigma unlocked understanding from the indicator right here, the logic that is built inside of this indicator, which is called Enigma unlocked. Right? You can use this logic to enter your buy trade. So what's the logic? The logic of this indicator is very simple. It's identifying the candle body that breaks and closes above the previous candle high. The previous candle high becomes our key level, and then when the market retraces to that key level, we enter our buy trade. So the indicator is not perfect. I built it with ChatGPT, but here is an example that it did not alert. So normally this should be below here also. Why? Because this candle body closed above the previous candle high. We should have automatically identified as a fractal resistance that got broken, now becomes support. On this candle, when the market comes below, because we have the confluence of the price rejecting a key level, we have the confluence of time and price, which is the ICT kill zone and pivot by TFO, then we're going to buy below or at the price. And as you can see, it is super precise, because it allows you to quickly get entry point with sound risk, right? And then you go for your risk to reward. And like I said, one more time, we are on the 1 minute time frame. So this is extreme precision, right? Let's remove this clutter. Now, if we look at the reaction here, you look left, you'll find the same example. Look left on the right, okay? So if I identify the last bearish candle before the push up, and I just put a line right here, okay, the market breaks below, confirms already, right? But it's not the only low. We have this low, we have this low, we have this low, right? So I'm just gonna put all of them, and then we're gonna look at how the price reacted to it today, right? As you can see, top notch, the market came and retested. Now, obviously, if you combine that with higher time frame logic of understanding of the current trend, and then you have no reason not to sell here. You have all the reason to sell here, right? And like I said, I've backtested, I looked at it, observed it, and I thought to myself, this is worth sharing so that it can help others become financially free, more precise, and then hopefully when you have taken care of your family financially, you have taken care of yourself financially, then you can use that extra money to go and contribute into the world and do for others what you like them to do for them without expecting nothing in return, because it doesn't matter who broke the world, it doesn't matter who break the society. What matters is what are you going to do about it? Are you going to stand up like a man, build wealth, build capital, and be an example to your kids and to their kids and inspire other generation to become financially free and contribute to a better society? That is what I am expecting from you. If you don't do it, that is your loss. But I want to be a contributor to this universe in the most positive way possible. So that's why I'm sharing all this knowledge for free. And I hope that God will guide you, forgive you for your sins of the past, future, and present, and He will guide you to this understanding, this logic, this common sense, and will motivate you, inspire you to take this information, get as much money as you can from the market in a strategic way that is wise, so that you do not get banned by prop firm like FTMO, and then you can continue to build wealth and help other people to build wealth. And like I said, after you have taken care of your needs and the needs of your family, then you start to expand your funds into reinvesting in society by providing value, by providing information, by providing knowledge, by providing construction site and any businesses that is beneficial to society, and then starting to rebuild your society. That could be your village, could be your city, could be your country, could be other countries, Syria, Iraq, Yemen, and all those countries, Palestine, all those countries that went through major injustice in the past few years. It's your time now to understand that 2025, you're going to have no more excuses to say that it's difficult to trade the market, because the creator is making things very easy so that you can understand how to make the money, print the money, withdraw the money, and go and contribute into your life, the life of your loved ones. And then when that is enough, then you go and do the same for others, expecting nothing in return. Thanks for watching. I love you very much, and God loves you more.